Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today we are focusing on nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Before you begin, remember to put your name up the top. So your task for today is to colour the picture depending on what it is. Below the pictures are either a noun, which you would colour in red. Now a noun is a person, place, or thing. Or you would colour in a picture that is a verb in green, which is an action or doing word. And lastly, you would colour pictures in blue, which are adjectives, which are describing words. So, for example, let's look at the first picture here, grandfather. Now, grandfather is a noun because it's a person, so therefore we would colour him in red. Under the grandfather, we can see a girl. She is clapping. The word is clap. So therefore, we can see that she is doing something with her hands. Therefore, we would colour her in green, as in a verb. On the next row, we can see that there is a boy holding a cup, and he is facing the cup downwards to represent that it is empty. So therefore, this is a describing word because the boy is describing the cup to be empty. It's now your job to complete the whole activity. There are 12 pictures in total that you need to complete, and you need to colour them in red for a noun, green for a verb, or blue for an adjective.